Bitcoin and Ethereum. What's his next move? Let's find out in the charts here, shall we? Oh my goodness, Bitcoin, why are you doing this to us? We're heading down once again, and we're going to talk about where this thing can go, how deep this dump could fall, and all of that in today's episode, and also be talking about Ethereum and the Bitcoin dominance. Also, man, my name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm here in Miami, staying alive. I'm in the pipe 5x5, but feeling a little bit snubbed because I'm not be going to the Bitcoin 2022 event. So, long story short, basically, they wouldn't. They one, they were charging me to actually go, and two, they didn't. They changed the price on me, and I just don't like that. So I'm like, I'm just gonna not attend. Or it's really bad, right? When feel like Chris from MM Crypto, Carl from the Moon, and myself, right, just don't get any kind of respect from the conference people who are running the conference. But that's just the way it is. So one day that might change. Okay, so moving on. Yes. If you want to trade all of this, you can do the trades, right, guys, on Bybit by heading over to bybit.davincij15.com or femex.davincij15.com. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button when you do, right? That really helps the channel out. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's head over to the TA for Bitcoin. Wow. What I failed to see yesterday was the fact that, although things were going an upwardly direction, sort of like, actually this was a sideways action, right? You can see here, it was pretty much sideways chop action. Let's just draw that out right here. There we go. So you can see the sideways action. The indicators were headed in a downwardly direction, right, over time here. So that's not good. So, and you can see that in Ethereum, which we'll show you, of course, it was going up, but actually indicators were going down. And so that meant that, there was less strength here in this move here so that we can pop higher. But the pop is still coming. It's just not just yet. We're still going to see some downward pressure. Hopefully the downward pressure ends very soon, because you can see that the indicators are at the lowest level. So we could see a reversal should we break below this level here of this lower level, which we should. If we break below, it's not a good sign, of course, but if we break below the 44,244 level, we could see this thing break down all the way to the next or support levels of 42,559. Yes, don't like that, I know, but that's always a possibility. And we could also see a reversal because there's a little bit of a strength here with Bitcoin. We could see this thing not even come all the way down and then just reverse up really fast, heavy. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure if you're trading the shorts here that you actually set some stop losses, because this thing Bitcoin's in a bullish mode here, and although this is a short-term correction that we could see, the deepest this thing could go, I would say, is if we take this whole M. You can see the M there, and this M pattern right here. Which, remember, M's can be invalidated, right, a lot in this market, because we're now in a bullish stance. So keep that in mind. So if we take this M pattern from here to there, right, right there, approximately right there, and we take it all the way down. Oh, it's brutal. The lowest we could see is like 40,000 as on the charts here. So it's not out of the question, right, actually. And we could come all the way back to 40,000 and then reverse back up. So that's a possibility that we can see this target of this M breakdown on Bitcoin. Alrighty, you can see that the Rockin Brainer indicator has lit up a sell signal. So yeah, you can see it's breaking down heavy. If you're interested in Rockin Brainer, you can just head over to payments.rockinbrainer.io. Okay, let's head over to Ethereum. Ethereum, you can see, as you can see, we were headed in a straight line up. But again, what I was saying earlier is that the indicators, I should have been looking at the indicators, are heading down. So we were headed in an upward direction. The indicators were headed in a downwards direction. That gives you an indication that there's not enough strength for any kind of move higher, right? And I should have saw that. I didn't. I was just too much in a bullish bias and did not. So I'm really sorry. And there we go. You can see that right there when we were like looking at this the other day. This was clear that there was not enough strength for us to continue us higher. So the breakdown was imminent. Okay, so here we are on the breakdown. We hit the resistance, support level of $3,200, like actually almost close to $3,300 at $3,290. Right, and yeah, we could see a little bit of a bounce, but we've already did see a bounce off of it right here with this candlestick, and now we're gonna probably break through actually. So most likely a breakthrough and breakdown actually, and we're gonna probably head all the way to retest $3,000 level, approximately at 3,029-ish area. Oof, brutal. Maybe we can see, I don't see any other point of resistance. Maybe a light one, maybe, but I doubt it. I think I'll cut through it like butter. We could say that maybe it could hold this level right here. Maybe it could hold the approximately $3,200 level of 3,000. The $3,200 level, please. Maybe. It's very, very unlikely, but it will probably cut through that and go ahead to the 3,000. So I'm going to be speaking today at this event, 21 Million Savage. So head over there if you're interested. I'm not going to be showing up at any of these events at the Bitcoin 2022. Just the way it is. All right, well, I'm just going to enjoy my hotel stay in Miami. I'm going to enjoy the W. So I'm staying at the W South Beach, and it's a great place, and yeah, I want to enjoy that. And I'm going to be at other conferences, so there's going to be lots of other smaller ones that I'm going to go to. Let's head over to dominance. The dominance is, reversing a little bit. Not surprised, but there's a little bit because of Ethereum is down heavy, so this dominance is probably going to pump because of that. You see a little bit. I hate to say it, but there's a Davo here, so this means this pump could continue breaking above the previous support, which returns resistance, of course, once we break it. If it does, we have to see this whole. You see. The higher levels hold. So it would be nice if the 43% hold and we don't go break above that, and we're rolled back down and we break down to the 39%. This is going to be some serious green days if that happens. Serious green days. You can see a lot of doubled up here, right? ZIL, BSW, and all that. Yeah. Lots of green here, so your alts are making some serious cash, priced in Bitcoin. You want it priced in Bitcoin because you could use the little lady strategy to sell your alts at a high and move into Bitcoin. Because why do you want that? Well, because Bitcoin's real, Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Thanks for watching.